Hello students, today we will learn how to check the spelling errors into your worksheet. To check the spellings in a worksheet, we have an option here. On the ribbon, you go to the Review tab. Here you have the command button spelling. When you click on this command button, it is asking you that you want to continue checking at the beginning of the sheet because you have not selected any of the data here. You just press yes. Now, you are having so many options here like centers. You have so many options for the spellings. Excel begins checking the spellings of all text entries in the worksheet. Like if you're having the company here, you just press cancel. You just select company spelling now. It will give you so many records of your data. If you're going to give the company, upper it's labeled as the not in dictionary. The upper side is labeled as not in the dictionary. If you want to add it into the dictionary, you just click this button. Then the spelling will be added to your dictionary. We have the options here like ignore once. The other option is ignore one. In this case, when Excel spell check comes across a word its dictionary finds suspicious but you know is viable, click the ignore once button. If you don't want the spell checker to bother querying you about this word again, click the ignore all button. The other button I have already discussed is add to dictionary. If you press this button with a wrong or a unique name, then it will be added to dictionary and it will not give you any error. The other option is change. Click this button to replace the word listed in the not in dictionary text box with the word Excel offers in the suggestions list box. The other option is change all. Click this button to change all occurrences of this misspelled word in the worksheet to the word Excel displays in the suggestions list box. The other option is autocorrect. Click this button to have Excel automatically correct the spelling error with the suggestion displayed in the suggestion list box. When you misspell anything on any cell and you press the autocorrect button, the spellings will be autocorrected by your Excel sheet. The other, you are having the options. To open the proofing tab in the Excel options, you can modify the current Excel spell check settings such as ignore words in uppercase, ignore words with numbers, ignore internet and file addresses, flag repeated words. You can change your settings here by pressing on the options in spelling dialog box. It was all about how to check the spelling errors into your worksheet.